that's not supposed to happen. Oh, that's fine. Oh. Pablo Escobar's been here. It's just a joke, don't kill me. Oh man, okay, well, I found the problem. I did this like 2.5 years ago. I don't know why. Maybe just the material is just not very good. I think these should be nylon. Maybe the clearance, maybe this is a little too tight. I don't know. Either way, it's no good, no mo, and I gotta fix it. Get out of here. Okay then. Gotta release some of this tension off the chain in order to be able to pull the shaft up. There we go. Everything I got. Everything I got. Ugh. I'm out of hands. Would you please just... There we go. Friggin' finally. Jerk. Remove. This will allow that to come up through. Go. There we go. Okay. That's all we needed to do. This is the gear that went bad again. So what I plan to do is Fusion 360, 3D modeling, 3D printing to see if I can come up with at least a temporary solution while I wait for the new one to come in. Let's do that. We did it! Yeah, and I beat my wife. I mean, that sounded really bad. And I did it before my wife got home. Yay! God. So I think she'll be nice and surprised and happy and I don't know, give me a pat on the back or a high five or something. That was a pretty good one for just a really quick, short fix. I think it took close to 3 hours to print. So, you know, not bad considering that in a pinch, if you have to do something like this, it's definitely an option. I'm trying to bridge the gap between the things that I truly love, like the restoring and customization of cars, and then the technology side. There's a definite symbiotic relationship between those two things, the old and the new, that's really kind of underutilized right now in the automotive world. It's sort of emerging, but it's not quite where I think it should be. Anyway, if you like this video, please like the video. It tells YouTube that, you know, I'm doing something kind of okay. And if you have something you want to add to the conversation, please just say it down below in the comment box. I respond to everybody, the good and the bad. That's cool. And if you think I've earned it, please subscribe to the channel. All three of those things really go a long way to feeding the algorithm monster that is YouTube, and it helps a nobody like me grow here on the platform. It's really cool to me to see that, you know, there are some people out there who enjoy all of my dumb jokes and quirks. I think that's gonna do it for this video. I am going to bring you a new Trans Am update here very soon. I've got like 3 or 4 videos in the works that are almost done. This last week was final week for all of my students. You know, with the holidays, things are getting a little bit hectic, but I'm still trying to produce as much content. So anyway, I think that's gonna do it for this episode. I beat her, and that was kind of the goal for this one. So I will see you in the next episode, and I promise you there's gonna be a Trans Am update and some other things very, very soon. See ya.